Don't leave attack on me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on. Yeah, man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza Station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reasoning for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the blog in shoot. Now, viewers and subscribers, the video for our girl is now on the platform. I'm wanting to go check it out. At the best music video has showcased the dancehall genre right now on the platform. Go check it out. But viewers and subscribers, what we will be discussing are certain lines from the track which the streets are now considering are now dubbing as a Stylo G diss track. Viewers and subscribers, at the first diss track this was put out months in advance. Something start take place months later, and it is still considered a diss track for the situation where it take place months after that song was released. Now, viewers and subscribers, lines like "She give your dream to remember," Otis. Lines like "Stop, watch the girl." And we hear Lisa recently, I say, yo, Stylo and stop text her phone and accuse her of all kind of things. I say, yo, she a goggle this, she a goggle that, and just saying a mouthwash. But Stylo definitely in her feelings. Now the entire internet viewers and subscribers at this point in time, I say, yo, the teacher take Stylo baby mother. But really and truly, the track title was "She Got Our Girl." It was never take Stylo G girl. But the fact say the lines and certain things on the line just coincide with the music video even being released, and it's just definitely a good look. This is what we call marketing at its finest, viewers and subscribers. The music video drop strategically. Right when everybody talk about Stylo and Lisa, well, here's the video with the mention of her name and with her herself. Yeah, even though it isn't a feature track, this is in the music video for the feature track. This is a track which features her. But look at the timing, you know what I mean? Yes, definitely precise, viewers and subscribers, and the streets love it. London love it, you know, the whole UK love it. It was filmed in England, viewers and subscribers, with all of the big sites. Was the London Bridge, you know what I mean? There were shots of Buckingham Palace, the whole place, you know what I mean? Birmingham did the day, you know, there's something go. Birmingham girls were there, you know what I mean? To G's them out. Definitely a good look, viewers and subscribers. Stylo, let's go and hold it, youth. You know what I mean? Just go and hold it. That's how the something go. You know what I mean? She was with you, she's no longer with you. You move on. You have the music, do music. You know what I mean? We know a thing going. You know what I mean? You know how she do her thing and you miss her. We know how we go on. We know how we go on. You know she do her thing and you miss her, but that's how it go. You have to just move on. You know? I don't know how you're gonna do it, but you have to find a way to cope and move on. You can't stay in your feelings. We know this no song, the hot song a drop from Waddy and Ray, and remember the post say they forward out and I make and I say, yo, this and that and Ray, and I suggest you just move on. And about to make the internet, you know what I mean? Get in a settings where you go say what you're not supposed to say. You know what I mean? And follow her up. If you follow her up, she go follow up you, and at the end of the day, you now can't win that one day. We never see nobody go to it toe to toe with ladies in a situation with words and end up winning as a man. So food for thought, definitely something to think about. But the track, viewers and subscribers, it dropped. As I'm gonna say, go check it out. Like the music video. You know what I mean? Some people are say, yo, the talk can go. I not have a problem with the talk. When they must say that Stylo G this track, I not have a problem with that. Them say I saw. You know what I mean? When it was released, that was not the talk. It was just another dancehall banger, and people that say, alright, you know, them like the track. So, the year, many months later now, when the video got dropped and what take place on the media, and people say, yo, that this track for Stylo G. Well, if you don't want to consider it as such, you can consider whatever you want. After an artist creates a piece of art and put it out there for the public interprets it differently, just like a great painting. Somebody will look on a painting and they must see something different from you, especially if it's abstract art, and they must see one image for them mind. You will see a different image. So, you know, is how you interpret that piece of art. And Vybz Kartel make art, viewers and subscribers. He is an artist, and this is an artistic expression from another dancehall legend. And see it? Months in the future. And certain lines from the track still impact the game in our settings where people cannot say, yo, this track was a diss track I will never realize. And they said, you know, and the song, the audio is already over 1 million view mark. So over 1 million people already listen to the track and counting. And nobody ever realized about it. A Stylo. But after what took place now, recently people say, yo, no, I definitely Stylo G, the teacher attack. I certainly look viewers and subscribers. Talk to me in the comment section. Let me know what you think. If you were one of the fans who, if I made it hear the mention of Lisa, put her in a Mercedes. Lisa. Prior to that, a couple, let's say months or maybe. So, after Stylo did out and what it take place and he go back to England. He put out a video. Him that talk something about Lisa. You know what I mean? I talk about the situation with them that go through and you know when him feel like cause it and him that make some mention and show some hints even in that video there. But you know, certain things we hear and everything we choose to talk about. But we hear, you know what I mean? But we just never choose to talk about it. You know? But know that Lisa said what she say. Know that Lisa said what she say. And know that the song, the music video for the track is now out. And you know, there's a new energy towards the track again. Because I know people are seeing the visuals and people love music video. No matter we not talk locally or internationally. Overall, people love visuals. It is the reason why some people say books that have pictures are more read than books without. Because people like visuals for some reason. Young and old, people just like to see pictures. So, pictures in motion, which is what we consider film, of course, that got captivate the audience. So now that people are captivated by the visuals and seeing Lisa, remembering what she say, knowing what take place on social media, and then listening to the lines, people are saying, but wait, and there's a new vibe for the song now, viewers and subscribers. And Vybz Kartel are one of the only artists, but some other artists try put out songs and then drop the video feed, you know, months after. But Vybz Kartel one of the only artists that producers can say, yo, yeah, we can definitely do this without worry. And remember, this was a track for Drop Top Records, big up Drop Top. So, you know, when the music video forward out was really up to Drop Top there. You know? So, that side was, that decision making was up to the record label and them choose to drop it when them choose to drop it. You know? Same thing with Brave. You know? So that was left to pop out for when he did want to put out him. It was a medley juggling with him. So when he did ready for put out the music video and put out the music video, that was really, that decision making was really left up to that production team and that record deal. So that is why sometimes you will see certain music videos and you get it after. If you notice how Shabdan do him thing more while, him give the music video same time with the track. He didn't bother give the track first. In a world government, him give the track and the video. In a the bad mind, him give you a track on the video, said speed, you know, he like to give you that production style, and that style is appreciated. You have to some respect and appreciate that style, Sham. You see me? That really gives dancehall that international feel and that international look that we have always had, but has not been showcased. You know, we tend to focus on majority, you know, this track, the feud, the track them we did feuding, are mostly dancehall dancing. Surprisingly, internationally, what we are most known for are the tracks that sound like we have feud and our dancehall dancers. Truth be told, the dancing that has been sampled by all choreographers, yeah, across the world, in all different forms of choreography. A dancehall dancing choreographed by Europeans, Americans, whichever races, but definitely dancehall dancing being incorporated in that style of way. You know what I mean? So I definitely put for that, not my opinion. Dancehall is, we wouldn't say dancehall is back, but with the creatives at the forefront of dancehall music, dancehall will reclaim its place, viewers and subscribers. All we have to do is support the creatives we are, make that move, of which Vybz Kartel is definitely. Yo, when I say, as an artist, Vybz Kartel are one of the most important dancehall artists currently. And that's just because of the vision, the talent, and the ambitions of the individual. Vybz the one called Jayden, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative. I'm reminding you now. If you're new to the movement, new to the channel, just pass through. But you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view. Well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all. And this is how you know we'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you. Right us up on the platform. Yeah, man, I move settings from I don't need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours that want to live, love, and prosper until the reason again.